All right, we're gonna start our seed dissection. These are lima beans that have been soaking in water for about 24 hours. And the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the seed coat. So I'm gonna take this and it just kind of will slide right off, just like that. This is the seed coat. So this little thing, I'm gonna put it down so you can see it better. This little thing, it protects the seed. It's kind of hard if you feel it. Almost feels like paper, but it really keeps the seed safe until it's time for it to start growing. You can set your seed coat aside. Ooh, the next piece that I want to look at is this piece right here. Okay, so this just looks like a big piece of lima bean, but actually this is the food. So when the seed starts to grow, it needs something to live off of, like it needs nutrients. And so this stuff right here provides the food for the baby plant to grow and kind of like uses it or eats it to grow strong and big. Now humans, we also use this as food. So lima beans, when we want to eat them, we just soak them in water and then we cook them and then we actually eat this stuff, which is seafood. Now, I don't want you to eat that today because we're in science, and when we're in science, we don't eat the science food unless I say so. So we're not going to eat these, but if you want to taste what lima beans taste like, why don't you ask your parents to make some? All right, now here, my little one fell apart, but I can pull it out and show you. This part, oh, that's so hard to find. There it is. Oh, right there. So this part right here, that little leaf, that's the baby leaf. And this part right here, that's the baby root. So when this seed starts growing, this right here will turn into its very first leaf, and that will be the leaf of the sprout. And this piece right here, it will be the root that goes into the ground and holds it to the ground. And then this other piece right here, this is also some more seed food. So if I laid them out on this piece of paper, I would have seed coat, I would have the food, scoot those over a little bit, and I would have the baby plant right there, which is the root and the leaves. You may want to try 2 or 3 lima beans so you can really see that little baby root and shoot leaves. And then when this is all done, you can just throw all of these pieces away. If you plant these, they will not grow. They, since we've been soaking them in water and we've pulled them all apart, they will not be able to grow now. So I hope you have fun doing your seed dissection.